Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is for those of you that are, haven't put your barbecues away yet and haven't really given it a good cleaning, but you still want to be environmentally friendly. Well, have I got the tip for you today. All you're gonna need is some lemons, the larger lemons, as well as some really coarse salt, almost crystallized salt. What you're gonna do is, obviously you can turn on the grill, you put on the heat on, so turn the grill on. Obviously. Sorry, it's been a long day, guys, and it's just the morning. Anyway, what you're going to want to do is get those lemons. You're going to cut them in half. Again, if you have larger size, it's easier to handle. And you're going to dip those lemons into the coarse salt. And what you're going to do is you're going to brush, so use them like a brush against your grill. And you can start to squeeze the lemon as you're brushing them against the grill. So the coarse salt obviously helps with, it's because it's a little more gritty. It helps take away some of that grease that's been caked on, and the citrus acid I can't even say that today, from the lemon also helps break down the grease, and also has antibacterial components as well. So it is a safer way of cleaning the grill. I know some other safe ways. Some people like to use the wire brushes and stuff, which we stopped using a little while ago because some of the wire brushes were getting off when we were brushing it and ending up in our food, and it can really cause some really stomach issues, etc. But this way we know when you're using the lemon, again, it's all natural, and that way you can just throw the lemons away or recycle them or put them in the compost, replant them. Many environmental friendly ways you can use salt and lemons. So I hope you enjoyed this tip today. Let me know if it worked for you. Bye for now.